everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Zedge account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Zedge account, firstly go ahead and open up your Zedge application. The home page of Zedge application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page and tap on My Zedge option. On the next page, click on Login. You can log into your Zedge account with your Google, Facebook or email as well. Tap on any one of the given option. In my case, I'm going to go with email. Enter your email address and tap on Next. Enter your password associated with your Zedge account and tap on Continue. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can log into your Zedge account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.